Yes, it's for sale. Can I help you? Hey, sorry to bother you. Hey, you know, we pass this place all the time when we're walking down the trail behind your house, and I see it's actually for sale. Yeah, you know, I'm kind of busy right now. What are you looking for exactly? Oh gosh, you know, for starters, I mean, like your backyard's fantastic. Beautifully landscaped. Like it must be nice not having it back up to right up to neighbors. Oh well, thanks man, I appreciate it. Listen, like I said, I'm actually like on a Zoom call. My boss actually thinks I'm working right now. The cool thing is I can work right from my home office, but and you know, it's big enough for me and my wife to both work here at the same time. Oh, you know, that's perfect actually, so do we. That would be awesome. So how are the carpets? You know, the builder grade stuff is really just garbage, and I'm hoping that you guys have upgraded. Yeah, listen, we actually took care of that. We replaced it a few years back, so that's nice, and its hardwoods are pretty sweet too. Oh wow, are those the, oh man, those are so nice. Gosh, now I'm curious about your main floor. We have, you know, we kind of have a big family and we love to have guests over. Oh yeah, you know, it's actually perfect for that. We have a ton of room. We have, you know, the kitchen's actually connected to the family room, kind of creates a great room. We've got a lot of space in each of our rooms. We've got a half bath on the main floor here, and the laundry room is quite spacious. It's got a lot of storage cabinets. You know, we spend a lot of time in the kitchen, you know, eating, obviously cooking, and we, you know, even the kids do their homework in there. So how's the kitchen? Oh, the kitchen layout is actually perfect for that. We've got an eat-in space. There's actually a little desk, and there's a corner pantry as well. Oh man, that sounds so perfect. Hey, can I ask you about the upstairs? You know what would be awesome is if you guys had like a Jack and Jill bathroom and, you know, a couple bedrooms to go with that. And even like a bedroom that has its own space. You know, I've got a teenage daughter. She would love to have her own bathroom. Huh, that's funny. You actually just described my upstairs. Well, everything except for the primary. Yeah, we've got vaulted ceilings up there. The space is really nice and it's not too big, not too small. 5-piece master bath is, it's got, you know, like double sinks. We've got a bathroom, shower, and the boom room, you know, private water closet. Yeah, that's literally what we're looking for, man. My wife is gonna wanna come back and see this. Hey, tell me about your basement. Is it finished? Actually, no. Oh, that's literally perfect. Actually, I'd love to do it myself. You know what, man? Just come on through.